Welcome to the whimsical world of Simlish, the signature language of the Sims series. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of speaking Simlish. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more fun content. Created by Maxis will write, Simlish is a made-up language designed to spark player creativity without the constraints of real-world languages. From its nonsensical charm to its unique vocabulary, Simlish adds depth and fun to the Sims experience. Ever curious about Simlish's origins? It's a blend of improvisation and creativity, crafted to be universally intriguing yet accessible. With voice actors and a mix of languages like Ukrainian and Navajo as its base, Simlish was born to enhance the Sims universe. Diving into Simlish is easier than you think. Start with familiar phrases like sol sol for hello and por se gabler for I love you. Immerse yourself in the game, listen closely, and you'll be speaking Simlish in no time. Embracing Simlish not only enriches your Sims gameplay but connects you to a global community of fans. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more guides and tips. Happy simming, and as the Sims say, sol sol.